Hi everyone, my name is Manon, but you might know me from my Instagram account Dutch Dots. Welcome to my very first video. Please note that this video is just an experiment on how to make a video. In the future I'd hope to make more and do some, or well, a lot of adjustments. So without any further ado, let's focus on the content. In this video you will see me doodling. These are the doodles I used for my August bullet journal. The theme is Under the Sea. So far maybe my favorite theme. However, I do think I say that every month. If you like, you can grab a pencil and doodle along. I use a thick fineliner to outline the doodles and a thin one to add detail. If you're not sure about starting with a fineliner at first, you can set it up with a pencil. I do that most of the time for my large illustrations and spreads. But with these doodles I quite like the imperfections and the happy accidents. I also like to add little stars, circles and dots around my doodles so that they kind of sparkle. Last but not least, we're gonna add some color. I chose the blue Tombow color number 553. That's it guys, my first video. I really hope you like it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up or subscribe if you want to see more. If you'd like, you can follow me on Instagram at Dutch_dots. Hope to see you next time. Bye!